Hello, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Donna, and for those of you not new, thank you so much for joining us today. Today is my 10-minute makeup challenge that I am collabing with my friend Diana. Diana is like, she holds a piece of my heart. She's one of the very first people. Between her and Lisa I, they are the very first two friends I made here on YouTube. Diana did start her channel roughly the same time frame I did. I think her anniversary is like a week after mine or 2 weeks after mine, something like that. We have very similar content. She has boomed and done very well for herself as far as her YouTube channel goes. She has quite a bit more subscribers than I do, and she is actually affiliated with a brand, and I'm just super excited for her and her success here on this platform. Because she is somebody who is near and dear to my heart, I did want to collab with her during my Vlogmas, and when I asked people if they wanted to collab, I gave them choices of what they could collab with me on, and she chose the 10-minute makeup challenge, which I am actually pretty excited about. Diana is a makeup channel like mine. She is from Denmark. She is amazing. I hope that you guys will want to go check her out, watch her 10-minute makeup challenge, but also keep tabs on her videos. She does a lot of unboxing videos. She does a lot of tutorial videos. She does this particular video that I love. She is very much into masking and does sheet masks for an extended period of time, and then comes back and ranks the sheet masks or talks about each one of the sheet masks and how she feels about them. And I love that because I do have an entire drawer full of sheet masks that I need to use but haven't used. She's inspired me to use them more. I just love her channel, and I hope that you'll want to go check her out. And to find out how I got this 10-minute makeup, please keep watching. Okay, Cover FX primer, that would be first. I'm using an illuminating primer because when I don't feel like doing a full face of makeup, well, this is full face, but if there's ever a moment where I don't want to do like everything I normally would do, I use a primer that is illuminating. Alright, I don't know how to put my clock on the screen, so, but you guys can, you saw me turn it on, and now we're just gonna go in. So I am actually going to use the IT Cosmetics Bye Undereye Corrector, and I use this actually often as a all over the face concealer slash corrector slash foundation, so I am just going to do that. I do take a dry beauty blender and just go in. I'm super excited to be doing this collab. Diana is a friend of mine that we pretty much started YouTube at the same time. We became instant friends, I feel like, and we don't collab very much, but she's done quite well. Her channel has done really well, honestly. I feel like this maybe is a bit orange right now. But I don't know if you guys can see the difference in the two sides already. Like, this is really a good product. I love this product. And when I don't feel like going all in with, you know, foundation and such, I will just use this. As a matter of fact, I think there was a couple of videos that I recently posted I had just had a facial done, and when I got home, I knew I needed to do some recording. So I just put this in the spots that I thought it needed to be in and then call it good. I don't know why my chin is super red right here. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna call that good. Done with that. 10 minutes is not very long, folks. Just saying. I'm gonna go in with some powder, Charlotte Tilbury airbrush. Flawless Finish in shade 2. Just put that on. I don't typically love powder on my face, but I do love this powder, and as much as I want to say I won't repurchase it, it's almost gone, so I might. It is a pretty powder. If you guys watched a recent video by me, you know I don't really do loose powders, but I really do like this powder. I feel like it blurs everything and just makes it look pretty put together. Yeah, the next thing I might do is my eyebrows, because I feel like they need to get done. I feel like this is probably a step I should just call good. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do what I typically will do with my eyebrows on a daily, and that is go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I feel like this is probably a better option when you're in a hurry than is pencils. Oh, what? I feel like this time frame has not been good. I feel like I've been cheated out of time. Y'all, I have 4 minutes left. Can you all read that? 4 minutes. Yep. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my little eye brush. I'm going to go into this pink color right here. I'm going to put that all over my eyes. Just to give my eyes a little bit of color. Oh, 10 minutes is not a good time. I haven't got time for that. Eyeliner. Bottom. Eyeliner. On the top, can you guys see me? That's not my timer. That's somebody else's timer. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's my daughter's timer on her phone. Not mine. I can hear my man back there yelling at Tegan. Okay, mascara. I've got 2 minutes. That mascara on my eye up there. Alright guys, I'm gonna do some bronzing real quick. One minute, 60 seconds. I'm going so fast my table is shaking. I've got like literally 28 seconds. Lips. Oh. 7 seconds. And we are done. Oops. It's counting backwards for me to tell me that I'm 11 seconds under. So that is my 10-minute makeup challenge. I think I did quite well. It's just a simple look. But I got brows done. I got eyeliner on and mascara. The one thing that I didn't do, I just put one color all over my lids. I didn't put a highlight on. I didn't anything. My lipstick looks a little bit wonky. But I think I did a good job. I hope Diana did just as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed my 10-minute makeup challenge. I hope that you'll go over and enjoy Diana's vision on this 10-minute makeup challenge. And yeah. Thank you guys again so much for joining us. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed it enough that you're considering giving it a big thumbs up. It really does help our channels out here. I also hope that you liked it enough, or me enough, that you're considering subscribing to my channel. It really would mean the world to me if you did. If you do, please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video. This is December. It is Vlogmas, and I am uploading every single day, but regular content is 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or Sunday, depending on my work schedule. And it is typically at 9 a.m. So thank you guys again for joining us today, and until next time, bye guys.